Hello students, and welcome to class. To those of you who are new vegans, congratulations. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you. I am so proud of you. The animals thank you, and you will never look back and regret your decision. It is the best thing for yourself, for the animals, of course, and also for the environment. Now let's talk about something else that's going on that is really upsetting to me. Ruth Greenwood, who is a teacher here on YouTube and also on TikTok and on Instagram, has been advocating recently to do something that I am completely against. And I want everybody to try to stop her from doing this and do not follow her example. What she is doing is she is trying to promote this product, which is an oat milk. Now, there's nothing wrong with promoting oat milk. In fact, it's a great idea. We want to give people options instead of buying milk that comes from a cow. Because when you buy dairy milk, you pay people to rape mother cows, to force them to have babies against their will. And then you remove those babies, so you kidnap. And then you kill those babies and turn them into veal. This is the cycle of violence that is the dairy industry, and it must stop. Now, Ruth understands that it must stop, but she is completely misguided here, completely messed up. What she is doing is promoting this activity that she thinks is fun, and she is saying that we should be pouring this oat milk on our heads and making videos about it. I am 100% against wasting any food. There are starving children all over the world who have nothing to eat. Their parents have died and they are alone, absolutely terrified. If we care about the animals, of course we must also care about these children. And wasting food is wrong on every level. Now, Ruth Greenwood has told me in the past that she didn't have that much money. Well, apparently she must be super rich if she has enough money to waste on this type of nourishment, which could save the lives of children. Instead, she gets somebody as a joke to pour these 2 containers of it over her head. She laughs about it, and that's not the end of it. She also encourages you to do the same and make videos about it and make them go viral. Shame on you, Ruth Greenwood, for doing this. It is absolutely despicable. Children are suffering. We must never waste food. What I have always done on my channel is encouraged people to open their fridges and eat what needs to be eaten. Do not eat what you feel like eating. Eat what is about to go bad. The lettuce at the back that is about to wilt. The spinach that's about to wilt. Shove it into a blender and make yourself a giant smoothie with whatever needs to be eaten. If they are strawberries that look like they're not so great, put them in a blender. Any kind of food that you think, oh, this has got to be eating, put it in a blender. Make it into a soup. Consume it. Do not waste food. Do not eat what you want to eat. Eat what you need to eat. And that applies not just about wasting food, it also applies to veganism. If you feel like eating a burger that comes from a dead cow, don't do it. What you need to do is eat a burger that comes from plants. It's all related, all of these things. We need to be vegan, we need to give a shit, and we need to be controlled. We need to be brave, and we need to be tough, and we need to stop buying into this bullshit. And I cannot believe that a teacher is encouraging this wastefulness. I honestly think that she's lost her mind. I don't know if she consumed any other products before doing this, but this is just so bizarre. Now, Ruth, if you're listening to this, you and I have had many talks on the phone personally, and then at one point when you moved, you were feeling like you were isolated, and you were feeling just, I guess the whole thing about COVID must have just got to you, and all of the hate that vegans get. And so you started to distance yourself a little bit from me, and that's fine. I understand that. Not everybody is as tough as me. Not everybody can withstand the incredible amounts of death threats. Okay, I understand that, and it's fine. Did it hurt my feelings? Yeah, a bit. It did, because we were supposed to write that book together, remember? Vegan Phobia? But it's okay, I'm going to do it on my own. It's not a problem. But what I am going to tell you, Ruth, is that this needs to stop. I am tired of sticking up for vegans who do ridiculous things, silly things, detrimental things, and this is one of them. So in this video, what Ruth is doing is she's trying to promote this challenge, and she's trying to say, hey, everybody, go and drink some oat milk, some chocolate oat milk, and then go ahead and get somebody to pour it over your head, because that, in her mind, seems like a good idea. Now let's look also at who is doing this. The person is wearing an anonymous mask. For those of you who don't know, here in the vegan community, we have an organization called Anonymous for the Voiceless. What they do is incredible work. They educate people about what happens in factory farms. They hold TV screens in front of them. They wear this mask so that you're not looking at their face, so that you are forced to be focused on the TV screen itself. Anonymous for the Voiceless, otherwise known as AV, you can Google them, also known as the Cube of Truth. Now, they do good work. But on Anonymous for the Voiceless, do you promote this? How does it make you feel knowing that somebody is wearing the mask that is associated with your movement and wasting food when children are starving all over the world? I don't get it. I really don't get it. This is a grown woman. Clearly, she has got this person to do this as some sort of a joke. This isn't like somebody who's surprising her. She's wearing white on purpose, laughing. And then the person at the back showing the 2 Oatly containers. So what is the message here? We buy Oatly and we waste it? I don't understand. I truly don't understand. And laughing about it, and then saying, hey, go ahead and do the Oatly challenge. Look how great I am. I'm a school teacher, I'm a mother, and I promote buying these products and wasting them while there are children around the world starving. You lost your mind, Ruth. You need to take down these videos. I'm not saying you need to apologize, because that's going maybe over the top. It would be great if you said, look, I fucked up. It would be great if you said, that vegan teacher was right. I should never have posted that. It would be great if you would say, that vegan teacher was right. I should be promoting the products, but not the waste. But I don't expect you to do that. What I do expect you to do is remember these bodies. Look at these bodies, Ruth. Just look at them. I know in your heart you don't want to hurt anyone, but you could easily, instead of buying those oat milks, taken that money, given it to an organization that would feed this child, that would buy oat milk overseas in Africa and feed it to this child. Children are dying and you are wasting food. It is mind-fucking-boggling. I don't get it. Despicable. If anybody knows Ruth Greenwood personally, please contact her and tell her that she needs to stop doing this. Tell her that she needs to take down the videos. And remember that for yourself, never waste food. Always think of others. Always think of the big picture. Take the least that you need. Just take what you need. Don't take more. And it applies for all areas of your life when you're using things. Just take what you need. Don't take from others. Don't make yourself a person that is this big who consumes twice the food that could be fed to somebody else. Now, this doesn't mean that I'm fat shaming. It doesn't mean anything. And this obviously doesn't apply to Ruth. She's not overweight. But I'm saying that in general, think in your mind, do I need this item? Do I need to buy this? Do I need to contribute to junk that I'm collecting and put it into landfills? You know, now these containers here are going to go in landfills as well. Like, the whole thing is just messed up. Coming up on the screen, you're going to see other videos. If you're interested in ethics, in animal rights activism, in defending animals and to understand, watch these videos. Watch any of them. Go through my site and click on different videos. Be curious and speak out on behalf of the animals. I don't care if you hate me. I don't give a shit if you hate me. What I want you to care about is others, the animals, and the starving people of the world. And if you don't like my particular form of activism, I encourage you to find other vegans that you do like. Who resonates with you? Maybe vegan teacher is somebody that you do resonate with in every other area. Then follow her. But do not follow her when she does crazy shit. Tell her that I said, Ruth, stop it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell if you're interested in hanging out with me for the next video. Bye.